Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I'm now going to have a live session trading binary option once again. I see I need to turn on some light, so I will do that a little later after this presentation. Okay. So if for some reason you lost this live session, probably you are not subscribed to my channel, you have not turned the bell notification on, and hey, you can also push a like on this video right away. You help me out. And lastly, of course, you also are not a part of my Discord group. You find the link below the video for that also. Other than that, make sure that you have the broker that I'm using, because it's much more fun to follow my live session if you are using the same broker. Link below the video for that also. Now let me start to prepare things. And also welcome for the people coming in. Welcome Eternal, nice to see you. I will now start to prepare, put up Discord, all this good stuff, and of course turn on some light. I need some coffee also. Let me start with the first thing here now. Live trading binary options. Okay, let me just do this very fast. Let me see. That one. Cool. Okay. I think now we start to have some type of I'll make myself some coffee also. Turn on some light here, she's a little too dark. Let's get to some trading. While the coffee has been making, let's pick out some other pairs that we can be trading today. Let's see now, I prefer to remove everyone and choose over again. Let's take the currencies here first. We'll keep turning on what to see. 88, that is very decent. That one. Starting to have many good alternatives now. That's it for them. Now let's see here. For a strange reason, I don't see my favorite here. Binance coin is removed. How about that? Maybe made too much money on them. Who knows? But Ethereum Classic is here. That's our number 2 at least. But yes, Binance coin is not here. Very strange. Other than that, let's pick up Ripple. No, that's Solana. Let's do that. Okay, that's the pairs we're going to trade today. Now I'll just get my coffee. There. Then we have everything in order. let's see if we can find some trading opportunities. We have one that's right over here, up in that level. Let's search for 100, 30, let's see. I will even turn this one red. Let's see. Have you been trading anything, Eternal? Let me sure. Let me sure. I'm reading something here. Let me know. Okay, let's check Ripple. Okay. Would I trade here? You ask me. Do you know what? As it's been so long time in this region, yes, I would. Let's make it green. Let's take 30 seconds. If you get down there again, and you see I've been down there many times. Many times means 4 times. So let's see. We are ready. In the last 10 minutes, we are going to test something new. Will not be so much that you can test out, but I'm going to try to go live also in TikTok. If I figure out that I can share my screen basically the same I do here, there also, just so we can add one more source of traffic to, so we can send over to Discord. And good morning, Craig, nice to see you. We have not done any trades till now, we are just overseeing, marking up a little. Here you see one example of what I don't like. I don't like when one is a little higher than the other. Otherwise, yes, this is a very nice trading opportunity. We see that this has been a top many times. If this one here now, and also you see this one closed higher than the other ones here. So always be aware when you see something like this. But yes, otherwise I haven't been easily taking a trade here. But the problem is when you see someone that is higher than the rest. Yes, here we see the same thing, but you see also it's always scary to take a trade. So this one here now, he need to close below the ones here. Otherwise, this for me looks like what's happening here now. He's getting a continuation upwards, to see. That is nice to hear, Eternal. You have been with me now for a while, so it's nice to see. And yes, I'm super happy that you're getting some more confident of trading. Here we can see a clear trend going downwards. That is something you also best need to be aware of. That means we should look for sell opportunities in a case like this. When that is said, where can we find a selling opportunities? This region here is actually not that bad, do you see? Only thing I don't like, same like I said with the other one, you see this one close higher than the rest here. So if this one here now can close below the one we have here, I will then activate a sell up here. But we need to close below this bar here. So let's wait and see what will happen. Let me see, okay. I put up the chat also now in Discord. So for the ones that want to follow there, it's much better there. You find link pinned in the chat here at YouTube. Now, what we wanted to happen, you see that you are in downwards trend. I did not mark yet, but I said I was going to take a trade. I did take a trade here now. I will mark it so you can see. Trade in that region there. Reason for that, we have a downwards trend. We do have some resistance here. That's why we take this trade. And now let's see if that can turn into money also. My entry is not the best, but let's see. We just need to wait more 15 seconds. We are in and out of the money. Okay, looks like I'm losing. Or do I? We got it, but yes, it's moving quite rapidly here now. We need a much better entry. I think up there now will be an entry. Now he's moving very fast, so it's very difficult to get the entry, so I will keep my fingers off a little till he cooled down a little. Now it's too much movement for me. I can't trade on this. It's very difficult because the problem when you move like this, I can push up here and you shoot down, and I don't like the bar as you hear. It's much higher than the other ones. And this can happen sometimes when you are close to a resistance and yeah, it's moving too fast for me. I'm staying away from this pair for a little while. By the way, did anyone else take a trade? Let me know. If you did you win or lose? I will, by the way, put in my calculation here now, 78. Looks like it's calming down a little now. But I think I need to see one more bar for me, just to understand. I have it blue right now, I'm waiting. I think entry could be around there, but I'm waiting. Okay. So my entry level will be in this blue line. Let's see. I think I like it again now. Let's activate it with red, and looks more and more lucrative this longer take. Oh, I'm too late there. No, I mean, I got a good entry this time around. Now let's see if this can bring money again. We have 48 seconds. I don't think I will trade this pair again. This will be the last I do with this pair. I don't like the movements we see. But let's hope now that this one can give us money once again. That would give us a good start to this live session. I see I'm in and out of the money, that's why I'm not interested to trade more on this pair. I like to have clear trades. Now let's see. Let's wait more 10 seconds. I don't feel comfortable at all. No! This one I lost. Okay. We make it blue. But we're still below the trend going downwards. We just revisit the top of the trend. We can also think about taking a trade on the trend. We need to be a little careful because this can turn now resistance. That means there will be a squeeze here. So I don't see that as a good option either. Let's just okay, yeah, same like me then. The region down here, after this bar here, I find it quite good. Let's mark it there. I do like it. Let's make that one green. We are now for Australian dollar against American dollar. We're almost down there now. Let's see. Moving a little away from our line now. Let's move over to Australian dollar against Canadian. This one pay quite good. Let's zoom. This area here looks pretty darn good. Yes, we have a lot below, but we are looking at closed bar. All are above. Yes, we have some spikes down. Of course, entry down in the spikes would be better. What I will do with this one, just so you know, if I see a bar go down, I will do a little holding on the bottom. I got the tips yesterday, and see if I can get a better entry. So let's see. Now I'm holding, ready to throw in a trade, and there. It's not the best entry, but let's see. I'll take one more if we get down again. We have two entries, let's see. Would be nice to get a clear winner this time. We're in with two trades. In and out of the money. We are deep in the money right now. Very deep. I like this. Let's see now if we can win both of them. That would be very nice. And first one is money, and the second is a better entry, so I think we get that one also. And money. So 288, and both was clear winners. I will get a better entry. I'll take trades down there now. Plus 88, plus 88. We now have a profit of 154. Very good, Craig. Very good Eternal. I think everyone made the money there. This was a good one. And deep in the money, Sam. So super good. Happy for all three of you. Now let's see. We are looking for trades again down at this green line. I will zoom out and see. Overall view, it's a little downward trend. And we see from the past we have broken it, so this support might be broken going forward, but hopefully we can get in a few trades first. Because if you see here also, higher, lower, lower, all indicate that we will break downward soon. With that, I think I have re-evaluated this next. I don't think I'll take one more trade here. Everything for me seems like we'll break downwards. This, see here now, if you take all the bars here now, if you take all the highs, you see, here we have lower, 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 lower and lower. So everything tells me that he will break this on the next try. I think he'll break downwards. I might be wrong. This can still be a good trade. You can take it if you want to. Me personally, I have a gut feeling that we will break this support on next try. Let's see. Let's see if I'm correct or not. It's something. Only if we start to go up and get a higher here now, then I will activate it. So you see now we are down. This is more like a high. If you can get one that go higher and close above this region here, that will be a good sign. Otherwise, I see a break now. Let's see now if I'm correct. Let's see if I'm taking a trade here now. If I would have won or not. Hard to say. We are in it yet. Do you know what? It looks like we probably would have won that trade. Did anyone take it? It was half decent. I still keep to what I'm saying. I still believe that we'll go downwards. We are going lower and lower and lower. We have done for a while now. So it's just a matter of time before he breaks this one. But once again, is anyone trading extra here now? Let me know. Me personally, as long as I see this pattern I can't take trades here. That's good, Craig. It's the better thing to do because at least till we get something go higher here, we can't trade on there. And you see he push more and more now on the line, and I'm almost expecting us to break down here now. We are forming a higher lows here now. That is a good sign, by the way. Let's see. I'm staying on this pair just for now, only because it's paid 88%. Non-OTC, that is very high. Hey. How long time I've been trading till now? Just 24 minutes. Feels like 50. Super tired today. But we can be tired. We need to work. I've taken 4 trades today and 3 winners. That is pretty decent. For the ones wondering, I'm thinking about today also to do a second live session. So if you're interested about that, I might go for that today also. Everything seems like that today is a perfect day for that also. Yeah, now I can say we can move the line down. If you can get a trade down there, I will now go for it again. And for the ones that did choose to trade, I think you got in some couple of good trades. Good, Craig. Yes, I'm trying to be better to do 2 live sessions a day. So today looks like I think today I maybe do it a little earlier than last time. I will give information in Discord at least 30 minutes before the live session. That is my plan. So if you're not a part of Discord, you find the link pinned in the chat in YouTube. While we wait here now, let me try to see if we can go live in TikTok. Just a test. As long as it does not there. There. Okay. Just bear with me. I'm just testing something here now. Just bear with me. I'm testing something. Ah, wait, there. No, let's see. Okay, seems like I can't go live in TikTok. Why is that? Okay, it was just a test, by the way. Okay, let's continue trading. Australian dollar against American dollar. Let's zoom out and see. Let's push reset chart. I think I like the area in the top there. We are in downward trend. Sell trade makes sense. I think an entry up there would be nice if you get up there again. I was a little slow on the trigger up there. Get up there again, I'll probably do it. No, not yet. No, it was close. Now this one closed a little higher. I need to be aware. But I think it's not, see here, closed higher than this one. That means I at least want our entry at least the same like this one. Let's see. And also this bar, I would like it to close below this one here. If that, okay, then I will go back to enter on this level. We are ready. We are in with a quite good entry, I think. Now we just need to wait 1 minute and see if we collect some money. No, he did go much higher. Let's zoom out and see what's going on. I take one more up there. Let's see. If we could win both of them, that would be pretty sweet. If we win the first, I think I'll win the second. Let's see. Now we just need to wait 20 seconds. Come on now. If you want to give me the first win, that would be very nice. Now we have a beautiful push down. And we won the first, $78. And I think we get the number 2 also. Because there we have a very good entry at the top. Maybe I should not say that. And we won that one also, but that one was close. Give me updates, how you all did. I won both. I think the ones that take the first trade all should win. The second, I'm not so sure about. Eternal, you won. Amazing. How is my profit now, by the way? 310. That is pretty decent. We have a win rate today of 5 out of 6 trades. That is very good. And Craig won. Everyone is making money today. That is good. Now when that is said, we are breaking upwards. Let's make this one blue line. No more trading here. Let me see, are we still keeping the trend? I'll try to mark it a little better this time. We are still keeping the trend downwards. This pair, you see we have been a downwards trend for a very long time. And some also won it. And if all of you now can give me your win rate for today, that would be nice. I always appreciate to know how everyone is doing. Days where I see my followers have good win rate, that makes me happy. Craig, 3-1, amazing. Now here is very tempting to take a trade. Especially as we have this one top. I think I'll do it. Go up there again. There, I'm in. That can't be the time he chooses to break it. I've been in this trend for so long time, I can't even think that he will choose to break it now. Sorry I did not make any red lines or nothing, it was just a trading opportunity that I just chose to take. If you're following in Discord, I think you have a higher probability to take this trade because you would follow what I would say. But let's wait and see here now what will happen. We've been in this trend now for so long time. It would be almost funny if he would choose to break it now after so long time when I choose to take a trade. That would but now, yes, now he's deep in the money. Deep in the money. So let's see. Yes. Oh, not so deep. Ah, it go good. 78. Sweet. So 388. No, the reason for this trade was that I'll not take more trades here, by the way. The reason for the trade is, you can see we have this trend going downwards. I can mark it a little better, I think. Something like this. We see that we came exactly in the cross. Do you see here? The cross here, basically where we have the resistance line and the trend line at the bonds, and to take a trade in that region is always super cool, because you have, first of all, you have a resistance line and you have the trend line pushing us downwards. So I was too tempted to take a trade when we came exactly here. So you see, that's the reason. I will not take more trades, but when you can take a trade directly on the crosshair, that is a beautiful. And then of course he choose to go quite high up. I was thinking like, oh, that would be super special if you choose to break it exactly on the time when we have the most push downwards, but at least we won it. So I thought it was a quite nice trade. Now of course, going forward here now, it's not so good as this one. Yeah, so, but it was fun. Sam, you did take this trade also. I thought also, it's very rare that we get these trading opportunities like this, that we get this crossing. Of course, you can get it around this region. Here, for example, here will be the cross, but see here we want no trading opportunities. You see, so every time where you have next time, for example, let me show you here now. If we drag this one continuation down, now it's almost like you want to break it. The next one I will say will be probably around here-ish. So if you can take a trade here downwards, that will be the same. But yeah, what can happen here now? Do you see? Here we have a pretty decent support. Here we will get to a squeeze. Of course, you had quite a lot of squeeze. You had one here, for example. You had one here. But here it's a quite decent one that have hold it quite strong. Here now we will get a very push up from this support against this trend line. This trend line is very old. Even though he almost broke it here, he still have not done it. But yes, it's very scary to take any trades here now. So then, let me see, Eternal 4-1, that's amazingly good also. Congratulations for you also. I have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades and 6 winners. So we're keeping IQ Sense. We have a very high win rate on this broker. This broker is where I have the most success, and I love the trading because I use TradingView, and I love that we use TradingView inside the broker. That is much better than what we see in any other broker. To be quite frankly, I don't think there are any other binary option broker that is using TradingView, because to follow the chart by TradingView, that's something I like. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I can't remember I've seen, at least not from the ones I have used, where we have TradingView for binary option. But by the way, we move away from this pair now. Looks like he's breaking the trend now. Or maybe we need to re-control the trend line, like I'll show that. Or maybe not. Was this one? Yeah. Maybe we need to move it just a little bit. You see, always need to, like you see the spike there, for example. Maybe that will be around there to see. The trend line on 1 minute is a little up to where you want to put the line. Typically when you put a trend line, you put where you have the most test, but also you can take it on the like this, and then you have here and here, so we still might be good within it. By the way, now he's breaking this support here, so it looks like we will follow this trend for a little while longer. But we are done with it. Let's see if we can take some crypto trading also. Down here is amazing, just amazing. I will take a trade if you go down there again. We have many tries, and you see every time you come down here you just pin it and go up. So let's go for it. If you zoom out, yes, looks like this is the bottom now, so this is a good area to take trade. Let's cross out this one. Let's remove this. You can see it ticks better. Let's see. We are 4 people live in Discord. That is nice. Now let's see. We are looking for buy trades on the green line. I think I'll move it a little up there. And if for some reason you don't see my numbers for where I put my lines, just tell me and I will repeat it. You'll get it. When you're in Discord, it's easier because the screen is more clear. That is can sometimes be a little blurry in YouTube. Plus YouTube is, as I calculated before, typically like 8-9 seconds delay. We can check today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wow! 18-second delay on YouTube. So just be aware there are a huge delay in YouTube. So take advantage. You find link pinned in the chat. Join me in Discord. There we are enjoying less than 1 second delay. So it's not even a question. Jump over to Discord. 18 seconds, that is ridiculous. But that's the thing with YouTube. YouTube is not as efficient as Discord. So Discord is a much better platform. Now I see another trend, by the way. We all will lower trend. While I was seeing it, then I see this one was higher. It looks like when I first cleansed it with the eye, it looks like it followed here, but you see now that this also is above, and also he for some reason broke it there now. So, but my trend was, I was looking here now. But okay, then this one is broken. Let's continue. Also, as you can see, we are collecting some cashback up here. This is something I typically collect in my recap videos. And here's the thing. When you see me do a recap video, I really appreciate if you just, in the future, when you have time of course, just visit these videos and give it a like. And if you have been trading live, because like for example now right after this video I will make a recap video, then I appreciate if you just push like, and you can tell me in the comment I was a part of your live and I made this and this win rate and things, so or money you made and things like this. It's things that help new people, and also these videos get more traction and I get out more, because these videos is what will bring more people into our next live stream. And like I said before, more people will start to get into these live streams, more fun it is for me to trade live. So just help me out by doing this. Okay, now let's see. I see we have 3 likes today, not that much. Help me out, push like on this live stream also. That is also something that helps us to get more people in. I see today we basically just in YouTube had 9 people total joining this live stream. That is a little low, much lower than normal. We typically have up to around 30, so 9, that is very low in a live stream. And I see we have been trading for 46 minutes, so we just have like 10-11 minutes left of this live stream. Okay, and it's sad because we are doing good. We as you can see, we have an incredible good win rate, so it would be nice to get in more people that can take advantage also. So help me out with that. I don't see anything with Ripple. Now we are retesting these highs here. Let's see. I have a line here, but I'm not trading it. Just blue for now. And he closed it up here. That is still below what you see here, but that means he might even try to go higher. Like I said, he tried to go higher because that we have this area as you see here. Let's see. For now we are just following, we are not trading. And if you choose to take any trades that I am not taking, let me know. It's always nice to see. Win or lose, let me know if you take trades outside of what I'm doing. Because there's nothing wrong about taking trades if you feel it's a good trade. Then it's always good you take, because it's not always. I'm very careful with my trading. So there are many trading opportunities I lose because I'm a little too careful sometimes. When that is said, I will take a trade if you get up there again. I have marked it with red now. I will take it a little down there. I think that's an area I'll take a trade. We are now on Solana on OTC. Almost I forgot to change this 5 second to 30. Let's do that. Let's see. Little quiet in the chat now. Would be nice if someone could keep me a little company. Like I said before, I try to keep a conversation going all my live session. And you need to understand it's 1 hour talking, because no one wants to see a person sitting quiet or put music in the background trading. Of course, there's nothing wrong with that, but also then you lose a little of the learning experience, where you're explaining while you're taking trades, explaining why you put the lines where you put them, explaining the trend lines, all these type of things is a part of the process, so you understand what I'm thinking. But also you have this time in between, like for example now, where there are nothing basically to do, then it's always good to have some type of conversation going. Like I said, that helps me to so the time go faster for my case also. When that is said, up here could be something. Let's mark it, take a look. Up there. I think I like it. Maybe there, it's still good. I think I'll take a trade there. I will change for red color. Cheese up this, let's see, zoom in. If we get up there, I will try to get a little better entry than this if we go a little above, because we have done that before. So I'll do the trick of holding the button over. Was it you, Eternal, that said this? Let me know. I think it was Eternal that gave this tip. I will hold in now. I did not let go. I'm still holding. And the nice thing when I'm holding, I can just move the mouse away and I don't need to take the trade. So it's a nice, it's a neat trick. So I'm holding and I'm in. I think that was a good entry. Let's see. We are in now with the trade number 9 for today. Let's see if that will go in the money for us also. We are pushing quite high up, but let's see. If we win this one now, we have an incredible win rate. Actually, I will say even if you lose, you have a good win rate, but hopefully we can win it. It's still 20 seconds left. Yeah, Eternal, thank you again, Eternal. That is a neat tricks to hold it. By the way, it looks like this will be deep out of the money. Deep out of the money on this one. Or wait. Do you know what? We might win it. I won that trade. That was actually much thanks to Eternal, because I was holding, waiting, so I got in a better entry. So the Eternal trick there did give me a better entry and I won. So thanks to Eternal there, and Craig and Eternal won that trade also. Amazing. So then we can put in another $88. Now, do I take more trades here? Of course not. We have already broken the line. And I don't think I'm interested up in this level here, because we don't... Ah, yeah, okay. It is actually a region also. Let's wait and see what will happen first. I'm interested around there. I need to see that he's don't start to make hires here now. Let's wait and see. For now, it's interesting. Let's wait and see. Yes, I think we all have a good win. Sam also won. Perfect. Yeah, we have an incredible good win rate today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 7 wins out of 8. That is incredible good. I am very satisfied, and what I like to see is that every, at least of the one that is following the chat, everyone is making money today, and that is my target of every live session, is that I see that even more than myself, I get happy when I see my followers are making money. That is my main target. Now, what you don't like here now, do you see this one here now, broke higher, plus we see a tendency that you get higher and higher and higher here. The last one here, even this one closed it a little above this one here. So be aware when we see something like that, be careful. Now, what we do like to see is that this one did not go as high as the other ones. So that's a good sign again, but yeah, something to be aware of when you see these type of things. And it's not written in stone that this one don't turn it green now and shoot higher. By the way, I don't think we'll trade this one more right now. Let's continue. I'm trying to be careful now so we keep the win rate, because the amount of trades we do today is very good. So let's go, continue taking only the best trades. And here, you know what? Somehow he's still keeping the downwards. Let's reset the chart. Somehow he's still keeping the trend downwards. Let's say take a look here. I don't see nothing we can trade here right now. Let's check GBP USD, British pound against American dollar. That is one of my favorites when it comes to Forex. GBP, GBY is my favorite, by the way, when it comes to Forex. It's the place I have the highest win rate when it comes to Forex. But when that is said, we are testing now. You see he's going higher and higher, and testing a resistance here now. But I don't like, you see, this one, higher, higher, higher. We can't trade that, and you see we have a trending upwards. So with this type of things, it's better to go with buy options. That means, for example, if he now go down, because he needs some breaks once in a while. So that means when he breaks something, go and take the next time he will check a support. So in this case, for example, now if you close up here, next time he go down, I'll show you a way of trading. Then an area that could be interesting is there. So next, if we close up here now, next time he go down and test this one, that will be a good area, because we see it's an upward trend, and he will not, most of the time, he will not just break straight down and go down here again. He will at least test it a few times before he do it. So you can get in some good trades. This is something you can look for when you're trading. Look the trend, you see a trend is upwards. Basically you can, let me see, can I make an arrow here? No, don't have that. Actually we have, see here, when you can see you have a, let's make this one a nice yellow. When you see that you can make an arrow like this, that means you have upwards trend, then try to make trades, buy trades. Then you can do it then, for example, on a line like this, but wait for at least one test, so you can see that this is the correct place you have the support. So now, for example, you will see him now. Let's see if he tests this line that he put up here. He did pin it pretty nice there now, do you see? Or maybe not, let's see. Still it's within what we can call a support. There is, you see here, see these bars here. But now if this bar here can go higher than this two here, this could then be a nice area for a buy trade. Let's see. We need him to close above these two bars here. So that's also something that you need to see, because that means that we are still in an upwards trend. So this is things that you can look for when you're looking for trades. But you need some patience. Don't take a trade right away on things just because you think it's nice. Have a little plan behind your trades. Okay. So for now, for example, I don't have any interest taking trades on this line. And you see what happened? He closed lower. This is not interesting for us now. I know I can move on. I wanted him to close above this ones here, because otherwise he can easily break downwards. Let's move on. This was just so you could see some of my thought process of how I pick up my trades. But we have now traded for 60 minutes. So once again, thank you Sam, thank you Craig, thank you Eternal to keep me company. Let me see if I forgot someone. No. Thank you all for keeping me company in the chat. This makes it much easier for me to do these live sessions, and I can see all of you make money. That makes me super happy. So If you are on the fence of joining and trade together with us, just see the results of the guys that we have here in the chat now. They are all making money. So you can just start with a demo account and test to trade together with me also. You find link pinned in the chat. Also make sure you join in Discord because there we enjoy zero lag. There are a lag in YouTube. So make sure you join us in Discord also. Plus we have a good community over there. So make sure you join us in Discord. Other than that, and I'm super happy you enjoyed the session, Sam, and you are welcome, Greg. I really enjoy trading when we have people trading together with me, and specifically when you all are making money together with me. So I think I will do a second live session today. I will tell later in the Discord if I'm going to do it or not. I will say it's an 80% chance that I will go for a second live session today. So make sure you check out when I write something in Discord later. It will be more or less the same time like yesterday, maybe a little before, maybe later. I will give all information in Discord about that. Other than that, have a perfect day and I'll see you all tomorrow if you want to trade on this broker. Have an amazing day.